Charviel V. Cortez, and this is my semi-final activity 6 LM35 temperature sensor. Let's see right here. So the sensor is connected to the A0 pin, and then this is our ground, and this is our volt for our temperature sensor, and then this is our LED, I mean LCD. This is SSD. This is SSD 1306. And then so our ground is this black wire right here is our ground. Then our VCC is this red wire, our SCL yellow, then and then our brown wire is the SDA. So now I will explain the code. So this right here is just the libraries to help control the OLED display. Next, this right here will set the display size. So with 128 by 64 pixel. Then this right here is just this means no hardware reset is used. Next, this right here will initialize an object to control the OLED. Next, let's define the sensor. So the sensor is connected to A0 pin. So analog A0 pin. Next, let's move on to void setup. So this right here is just for debugging, and this right here will check if the OLED is properly connected. If not, it will print the error, and then it will stop. Then this right here will print a clear display. Let's move on to the loop. So right here we'll read the sensor, and then this right here will convert it to degrees Celsius using this formula right here. Then this right here will clear the screen before displaying new data. Then set the text and print. It will print LM35 above the position kay 2010. Ano siya sa taas sa tuang LCD. Next, dire mo iyang i-print ang temperature. So iyang i-move ang cursor sa 1040 ubos atong kuan aning kani ay ani de ubos ani, tapos print siya temp, tapos sunod ana kay iyang value kani i-print niya, and then kani siya kay katuning degree symbol sunod kay Celsius. So yan na ding updates the OLED screen with new data, tapos mag-wait og 500 milliseconds before mag-update na sad sa new value sa temperature. So moro to ma'am, thank you.